eeNews reports from the RISC-V Workshop here in Barcelona, and we meet up with Fink. He is the CTO of Western Digital. Martin, I've been visiting your speech this morning, and there's only one thing I can say: memory first.
Memory is very important to us, and we do believe that RISC-V will enable us to expand the footprint and the capabilities of main memory on devices, yes.
But memory first, but we used to think that the CPU was first. That is where the value is.
We think the value is in the data, not in the CPU. And so that's a very, very key distinction for us. And as I mentioned during my talk, half the world's data lands on our devices. Yeah. And so we are more interested in delivering value to our customers through the data, and that's what they value as most important. Processing is just a means to an end. And so that's the unique position that we can be, is we can say, let's focus on what matters most for our customers, which is the data, their information, and how do we allow them to monetize that information and use processors as a means to an end, rather than make the processor what the world is all about.
You are a very strong RISC-V supporter. You're also doing some developments of your own.
We are.
What can we expect from that?
Okay, so we, as I mentioned on stage, we have 2 cores under development. That development is going very, very well, and we've had some very good success in doing that. We expect to deliver our first devices based on those cores in the first half of next year, and right now all the indicators are that's going to happen, and it's working very well.
Good news for your clients, or business as usual for your clients?
Well, we hope obviously that it's good news for our clients, but our clients, they don't really measure us on whether we deliver RISC-V in our devices. What they really want is more value from the device. And in this case, we expect our first devices to be able to deliver either equivalent or better performance at much more power reduction, so reduce the amount of power. And for those first devices, that'll be a very core part of the value proposition. RISC-V gives us the opportunity to innovate in all parts of the ecosystem. So not only can we modify, change, and adapt the instruction set, we can choose how we connect different parts of the ecosystem together without being constrained by what other vendors decide is the best interconnect mechanism between those components. So RISC-V was the only thing that gave us that level of flexibility.